name is Shai Shemesh. I'm 36 years old from Tel Aviv. I'm married. I have 2 children. I'm working at the Rabin Medical Center for 6 years as a resident. I'm right now in my final year of residency, and I'm a resident in the Orthopedic surgery department. We had a 2-week fellowship, both clinical and surgical. So I got a lot of exposure to all kinds of hip and knee surgery. They're doing a lot of advanced stuff. They do minimally invasive surgery. They do hip scopes. A lot of things that we don't do in Israel. And the exposure was really good for me. I learned a lot just from watching them and also from participating in their clinical meetings and with patients. The main thing that I learned was the posterior approach to the hip. It's a technique that Dr. Swanson developed himself. It's a kind of a mini incision with a very nice approach, surgical approach to the hip joint, which I'm surely I'm going to use and take with me home. Yeah. I was amazed by the power of the Jewish community to gather. Just as I arrived to the States, the war started in Israel, and my kids and my wife are back home. They were close to a shelter. They had to go into the shelter when the bombing started. So it was kind of difficult for me, and I had to make sure that everything's all right. I called them twice a day, but they were very supportive, and they wanted me to continue and go on with what I came for. I have been treating a lot of Arab and Palestinian patients because for me, every patient is a patient. I don't see their color or their nationality. It doesn't really matter. Once you have to treat a wounded person, you just do it the best way you can. I really enjoy helping people. I see it as a mission to help even our enemies once they are injured. You know, I think that's a mission for me as a doctor. Well, my mission is to, of course, to get back to the hospital and support my friends right now that are dealing with all these casualties back home, and for the near future to successfully finish my residency, and I'm looking for a fellowship for next year, long-term fellowship.